Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. I'm here with another video. We are looking at a song by Bliss, Oluwa. Let's check the breakdown, okay? So I'm going to give you options as well as I'm going to show you passing chord to this particular song, okay? So let's dive in. So I want to see your power flow. To see your head move over my life. No one meets you remain the same. Oh Lord, so let's break it down, okay? So first chord is the do to the 6, the la. Then this one you can choose to go to the 2 straight, the re, or you can choose to do this. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this a passing to the 2, but check the melody here. Then the so you play the so, okay. Then to the 5. Then I did. Basically, I'm just coming to the mi. Then yeah, instead of going to the 6th string, you can do the 5 over the 6. Then you can resolve it to the 6. Okay, like this. Then 4 over the 2. Then you do the melody they did in the song. Okay, one more time. Okay, so that is that for the verse. I want to see your power flow. I want to see your head move over my life. No one meets you and makes the same. Let's check the other part of this particular song, the one that says Oluwa, baby dite. Okay, so okay, fa, mi, la, fi, so, mi, then fa, then 6, 2. 5 over the 4 over the 5. Okay. Mi over the 6.